Hi everyone, this is Gaurav here, and today we'll be reviewing a wireless microphone system by Nefikar, which can be used for teaching online. So, this is the microphone which I'm holding in my hand right now, and I'm using the same for the recording through Canon 600D DSLR. We'll go through its features one by one and see how the microphone performs. So when you look at the body of the microphone, it is really compact, and it comes along with a wind muff, a clip which is here, and a transmitter and a receiver which gets connected into the device in which you want audio to be transmitted. For example, a DSLR camera, a laptop, a smartphone, or even a PS system. The microphone also comes along with a U splitter. The U splitter can be used for connecting to smartphones. The default pin of the receiver is TRS, which is not compatible with most of the smartphones. However, this comes with TRRS pin, which has got three black rings at the end of its pin. This is the format that is used by most of the smartphones when you want to use a microphone. This microphone is ideal for online classes, yoga sessions, or even Zoom calls. Many of you might be conducting online sessions using Zoom, and this microphone can be used with Zoom as well. In terms of compatibility, it works with most of the DSLR cameras. While with the smartphones, you will have to be a bit careful. With some of the smartphones, for example, with iPhone, it requires you to have original 3.5 mm to lightning connector. If you do not have the original connector, it will not work. If you don't have, buy it from the Apple store and then use it. Also, another important thing to note is that it doesn't work with the default camera app of iPhone. So you'll have to probably use an app like Motive Video app, which you can download from App Store. Similarly, for OnePlus phones, it doesn't work with the default camera, and you will have to use an external app like Shure Motive Video app. Smartphones which have not got 3.5 mm jack, like Samsung and OnePlus phones, some of the models do not have 3.5 mm jack, and you will have to use the USB-C to 3.5 mm converter. Again, it is extremely important that you buy the original adapter from either the Samsung's website or from OnePlus website. Otherwise, most likely you will not be able to use the device. We know about its compatibility with Samsung phones. It works perfectly. We know its compatibility with Realme phones. We know that it works with iPhone but not with the default camera. We know it works with OnePlus but not with the default camera. There are some of the smartphones for which you might need a Rode cable, TRRS to TRS connector. For example, MacBooks, it wouldn't work directly with MacBooks, and you will have to buy a Rode cable. The second important aspect of this microphone is that it offers a lot of flexibility of movement. For example, if you are a teacher and if you have to move around your whiteboard, if you want to write something, if you want to move from here to there, there is no restriction, there is no hassle, because the microphone cable is not hanging outside, it is not a bulky device, you can easily move around. That's about it, friends. If you want to buy this device for DSLRs, please go ahead. I think it is, for the price point, it is an amazing device. Most of the microphones have certain kind of background noise, and for its price point, it does really well. I mean, if you simply apply one filter for noise, it will remove all the noise essentially, and I think your video will be good enough to be used for YouTube or online teaching or any other such purposes.